Number 1. 1987 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,700, with 150,000 miles on the odometer. It's equipped with a legendary GM 7.4L 454 big block engine paired to a tough TH400 automatic transmission. As a 4WD vehicle, it's ready for work or play, and it comes outfitted with dual fuel tanks for extended range, finished in a bold red exterior with a plush and smooth interior. The overhead console features retro-style disco lights, adding a unique flair to the comfortable cabin. Everything inside works as it should, including the radio, power locks, and power windows. Cruise control is functional, although the seller recommends using it at your discretion. Recent maintenance includes brand new Kelly tires with only 500 miles on them, a new distributor, new battery, fresh spark plugs, and an oil change using VR1 racing oil and a new filter. The truck also comes with a hitch and plug, making it ready for towing right off the lot. Number 2. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, finished in a sleek black exterior with a gray interior. It features an eye-catching two-tone paint job and a custom scoop hood that enhances its aggressive look. Powered by a strong Chevy 350 horsepower engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this truck is both loud and fast. Although the odometer reads 170,000 miles, the engine has been replaced, and the current power plant has significantly fewer miles on it. The previous mileage accounts for the old engine, and all paperwork documenting the engine replacement is included. This truck is rust-free, with no corrosion on the body or frame, and the entire underbody has been professionally coated to prevent any future rust issues. It also features power windows and locks, a fully functional air conditioning system, and a modern Bluetooth audio receiver paired with a subwoofer mounted behind the driver's seat for a superior in-cabin sound experience. Number 3. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $8,600. This truck is presented in very good condition and is an excellent example of a classic American pickup. Finished in a striking purple exterior with a matching well-kept interior, it catches attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting turbo 350 automatic transmission, offering strong performance and a great sound. This truck runs and drives exceptionally well, and its solid frame and floorboards are free of rust, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It runs on gasoline and is ready to be driven and enjoyed. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser or a solid addition to a classic truck collection, the C10 is worth seeing in person. Number 4. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500. It's a 2WD model powered by a reliable 350 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a freshly installed 700R4 automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and improved drivability. With approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs and drives great, making it perfect for weekend cruises or as a solid foundation for further customization. Finished in a bold blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck retains its classic 80s appeal and is powered by gasoline. The current owner purchased the C10 with plans to enjoy it as a fun cruiser and a light project, but due to a busy schedule and the need to clear out space, they've decided to part ways with it. This C10 represents a great opportunity to own a dependable and iconic piece of American truck history. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. It has traveled 266,000 miles and runs on gasoline with a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a blue color scheme. The body has been repainted, and the truck has only experienced 2 buffalo winters. A 4-inch rough country lift has been installed, giving it a more aggressive stance, complemented by aftermarket bumpers, a new grille, and a 4-inch cowl hood. The wheels currently installed are a winter set, suitable for colder climates. Inside, the original bench seat has been replaced with more comfortable captain's chairs, and a starry headliner adds a custom touch. The truck runs and drives well, making it a solid candidate for continued use or further customization. Included with the sale are various miscellaneous spare parts, such as the stock hood, stock spindles, and a replacement heater core, among other items. Number 6. 1975 Ford F150, price $9,500. With only 58,000 miles on the odometer, this vintage pickup still runs and drives smoothly. It's powered by the legendary 7.5-liter 460 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance typical of Ford's durable workhorses of the era. The truck features a matching green exterior and green interior, both of which are in good original condition. While there is some rust present common for a vehicle of this age, the overall body remains solid. Factory air conditioning and heat are both still intact and functional, adding comfort to its vintage appeal. Recently, new fuel lines and gas tanks were installed to ensure reliable operation, and the tires were replaced just last year. Additionally, the truck comes with a brand new rear bumper and rear brakes, ready to be installed. Number 7. 1994 Ford F150, price $8,500, powered by the reliable 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 133,000 miles on the odometer, the truck runs and drives well, the engine starts easily and runs smoothly, and the transmission shifts as it should. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior features a blue cabin that's in good overall condition, though some of the interior components have not yet been fully reinstalled as the current owner is still working on it gradually. The truck is rust-free, equipped with good tires, and retains its solid, classic F-150 appeal. It runs on gasoline and is a dependable choice for someone seeking a rugged, vintage pickup. Number 8. 1977 Dodge M880, price $7,800. With just 61,000 miles on the odometer, it's a rare survivor that still runs and drives impressively well for a nearly 50-year-old truck. Finished in bold red with a black interior, this former military brush truck is all muscle and attitude. Equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine, the M880 features full-time 4WD with 4.10 gears, making it capable of handling just about any terrain you can throw at it. It's not built for freeway speed, but if you're looking for a truck that won't get stuck easily, this one won't disappoint. True to its roots, the truck comes without power steering or air conditioning, reinforcing its no-nonsense. Though it does not come with a formal title, it is currently registered, tagged, and insured in the current owner's name, and a bill of sale will be provided. For buyers in states that allow titling of older vehicles through registration, that documentation is sufficient to obtain a title. Number 9. 1988 GMC 1500, price $3,500, features a classic white exterior paired with a red interior, and is powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission. It runs and drives but could benefit from some mechanical attention, as the engine does smoke, possibly due to worn valve seals. A brand new battery has just been installed. While it's drivable, trailering is recommended for safety and convenience. The interior is in nice condition overall and mainly just needs a good cleaning. With its strong bones and vintage charm, this truck would make a great candidate for an LS swap, or it can be driven and enjoyed while being gradually restored. Don't miss the chance to scoop it up before the current owner decides to swap it and keep it. Number 10. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with 150,000 miles, finished in gray inside and out. It runs on gasoline and features a 350 V8 engine, 700R4 automatic transmission, Edelbrock aluminum intake, for barrel carburetor, long tube headers, and straight pipes. It rides on fresh 31x 10.50 or 15 all-terrain tires with chrome wheels. Factory options include power steering, power windows, power locks, cruise control, sliding rear window, and working dual fuel tanks. The 4x4 system with high and low works great, enhanced by new worn manual locking front hubs. All gauges work except the clock, the radio and heat function well, and the AC is non-working but fixable.